Hi everyone, my name is Ty, and in this video we are going to learn how you're able to create something dynamic card like this one. When the current score is greater than previous one, you can see it goes up. If I make it as the same number, and it will make it as equal with the blue color. If I make it lower than the previous one, so it will turn to a rich orange color. So let's learn how you're able to do this one in this video. Over here, you are able to see we have a data layer on the left, and the one on the right side is the visualization layer. In your file, you may want to structure your file in this way so that you're able to make the thing easier to manage. So it says show here to make it easier for you to differentiate. The first thing, I have created the title, so now I just need to merge multiple cells, merge and center, and I'm going to create a formula, and the formula is available something like this one. So basically it's just equal, is this number greater than previous number? If yes, I want to show up arrow key. By the way, this is an emoji I have used. On your computer, you can choose a different way of entering emoji. For Windows, you can hold down Windows key and full stop. It will give you a choice of emoji. And the second one, if that is lesser, I will show down arrow key. Otherwise, I will show equal. So once this is done, I can just press enter. You can see it appears. And the next one I want to show is the current number. Same thing, I merge and center. I just equal, refer to the current number and enter. And the remaining, I'm going to merge and center. I'm going to have the wording previous, something like this one, previous, and with the colon and show the number. So I'm going to create a formula over here. Equal, double quote, previous, colon, space, double quote, shift number 7 is ampersand. Because the number I want to show with a 1000 separator inside here, so I will be using text, tab key, select the previous number, comma, double quote, hashtag, comma, hash 0, close double quote and close parenthesis, and press enter. So we have gotten this thing done. And the next thing is I want it to be automatically change the color as and when the value changes. So this is the time we are going to use something called conditional formatting. Let me select two of them and go to home, then go to conditional formatting. Then we use new rule. Inside new rule, we want to use a formula to determine which cells to format. We're going to check whether is this number greater than the previous one. If it's greater, I want to use green color, so I will go to format, and I go to the font. Font means a text color. I will be using the dark green, and meanwhile for the field, I'll be using light green. And I can click OK. You can see this thing appears, then click OK. So this is done for the first part. And the equal sign I already preset for the blue color. If let's say it's none of them matches the requirements, it will turn to blue. And the next one I want to set is lesser than. So go to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and click inside the formula. So I'll be checking, is it the current value lesser than the previous? If yes, I'll be click on the format. So this time I'm going to, for the field, using the light gold color, and the font that will be using a dark gold color. So once it's done, click OK, and you can see the sample, the preview is over here. Once you're happy, click OK, and it's done. So let's do a simple check. So this now is a 9000. If I change to 5000, yeah, it changed to blue. If I change to 1000, so it changed to gold color. So this is done. If you want to do some adjustment on the color, you can just click one of the cells within the range, go to conditional formatting, and go to last one. It says manage rules. Inside manage rules, you can see there are rules inside here. If let's say you do not click inside the range, you somehow click outside, you will not able to see that. So what you need to do, you just change the rule to this worksheet, and you're able to see all the rules in this worksheet. And you can click them and click edit. If you want to change the color, change the formula, you can click on the format. You can change the thing. Once you are done, you can just press OK all the way out. And hopefully this one gives you some idea how you're able to create this thing in your file. I hope this video gives you some idea how you're able to present your data much more compelling in the visual way so that you're able to tell greater story. And my name is Tai, and some people call me Excel Sifu. My aim here is to help you to make friends with your data.